We pointed out to the Honorable Speaker that basically they have voluntarily given up their membership of original political party, that is Indian National Congress, and shifted their alliance to BJP, which basically leads them to incur a disqualification under 10th schedule, para 2 of the 10th schedule, and therefore we pointed out that they have incurred disqualification and they need to be disqualified. We also pointed out that they are claiming some merger which cannot be considered as a valid merger in eyes of law, and therefore they have clearly incurred disqualification. So that's what we pointed out. The Speaker has told us that he'll go through the papers and let us know the further. The Speaker in fact asked us about the locus standi of the President of Indian National Congress to file the petition, because Rule 6 of the disqualification rule provides that only the member of the House can file, to which we pointed out that there is a Supreme Court judgment which clearly says that any interested person can file a disqualification petition. So he wanted us to tell, basically deal with that. We dealt with that. So he has told us that, in due course he'll inform us what is the next course of action. So we pointed out how they have incurred disqualification.